Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Coffee, and this is free audit of the website Home by Shop. I'm on the homepage and I really love the featured image here. It would be much better if you showed one of your products here and obviously optimize it with a tagline such as maybe shop our doormats, shop our home decor, shop our floor mats, something like that, and then add a call to action shop now button linking to the products. It will be much better for the conversion rate. About us page doesn't have to be so high on the home page. It will be much better for the conversion if you show the products here, because about us, if you show it right below the hero image, it can give an impression perhaps it's a personal blog. It doesn't really say that you are selling products. However, you've got few products here, and remember to link it to the relevant collection. You do link these to the relevant collection, so this is really good. Okay, that's perfect. Those items look good. Those images look really good. I noticed that there is a section with missing products, missing collections. So perhaps you had featured collection, maybe you changed the URL. It happens quite often. If you change the URL, it's no longer displayed on the homepage. So make sure to check for those little errors because they can also affect conversion rate and sales, and there seems to be widget deactivated, so make sure to check your website regularly for any errors like that.